Hi, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here.
Okay, this is part 2 of my NYX makeup, and I'm going to give you the results of how much everything is going to equal out to, so I can tell you how much profit I'm going to make. Okay, so this box was in NYX makeup, 250 items. I paid $323.22 total, and that's after shipping, after fees, all of that stuff. So I'm going to give you a rundown of how much guesstimation wise. I didn't scan each and every item, but I scanned each category of items. So these are some lip balms. I know that these sell great. They sell a little bit slower than everything else, but they sell good. $10 a piece. There's 3 of them there, so that's a total of 30 bucks. I have 37 shadow sticks, and they range anywhere from $3 to $200. Not 200, sorry, I wish. $3 to $2.50. These are waterproof concealers and shadow sticks. These are $5 a piece. I got 5 of them there. These lipsticks are around $2 a piece I make, and I range anywhere from 50 cents of profit to $2.50 or to $2. So just know that there's a little bit give or take and wiggle room in these. So I've got I think about 44 lipsticks at about $2 a piece. Then I've got shadows. I've got a little over 80 of these blushes. I said shadows, but I meant blush. These are around $2.50 a piece for one. And then each one of these boxes has 6 in them. These are the Sun-Kissed. I've got 7 of these, 3 here and then 4 on this pile. $5 a piece is my profit I'm going to make there. These Love in Paris, I've got 5 of these, $5 a piece, and so you can do the math there. 25 bucks for the Love in Paris, 35 bucks for the Sun-Kissed. I'm going to come around to the other table. These are these baked shadows. I've got quite a few of these, I think about 50 of these, and they are going to sell for about $2.50 a piece, so that's right around $100. And then I've got these NYX Love in Rio shadows, and there's various different colors, but they range right around $3.50. These are slow-moving ASIN, these foundation powders, and so I'm hoping I can find another listing, but they're going for about $7, so if I don't send them into the warehouse, I'll definitely merchant fulfill them from my house and make about $7 a piece, which would be about a little over 60 bucks. So when I add all of this together, it comes up to $688 even, as a rough guesstimate of how much I'm going to get back out of this. When I take away my $323.22, that equals $364.78, and that's money after Amazon fees are taken out. So I pretty much, with this amount of money, I spent $323, gonna make $364, maybe do a little bit of wiggle room. Some will be a little bit more depending on the color or the shade of shadow or blush, and some will be a little bit less. So I'll average around $365 of profit for this 250 makeup lot, and there'll probably be about 15 separate SKUs, and so it'll be very quick to list. I'll probably have it listed in a few hours and have it shipped off, and I'll just start raking in the dough. So hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully you learned something, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.